Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video we are going to see how to add GSM module library in Proteus. I have given the download link in the description, so click there and download the library files. When you click the download link, it will direct you to library. Here you can see this is the GSM library file. So click here and download. Here you have to extract this WAR file. Copy the lib file and idx file. Close the Proteus. Go to the location of the Proteus and then go to Proteus 8 professor. Then you can see data. Then go to library files. Then check what you have copied and then close. And open Proteus 8. Then search the GSM module command list. Here you can see there are 3 GSM modules in this library file. This one and this one. To use this GSM module in your Proteus file, you have to upload the hex file in here. So here you can see this one is the hex file for the GSM module. So find the file location. You can select this text file and then open. Then you can use this GSM module in this Proteus. That's all about this video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.